Hi guys, this is Crypto Lex and today we will review a brand new crypto project. Project name is Vauld. We have a very nice clean outlay of everything, and one of the nicest things I like to see right away is that is available on your iOS devices and your Android devices or desktop as well. That makes it a lot of more easy for you access it, and obviously make it so more people are able to get a hold of it and get involved, making the project bigger and increasing your likelihood getting a better return on your initial investment. Now, other than that, we see that is really easy to get started, like this button. Just you have a link right here. Get started now. You have chat function as well in case you want to chat with someone your frequently asked questions, and sign button as well. We got a bit information about them in here about us button. We got a little bit information about who they are and what they do. They say they got a story of money and future of banking, and they're really ready to answer any questions you guys have. Enterprise API, so you get access to the world of crypto, powerful API integration for enterprises to offer crypto services to their users. It can become a partner. You see their API documents here and see the markets. You can see the market and all the good stuff we are used to seeing, always keeping good eye out for. See the rates and see this is what we are going to be talking about today. Mainly see some insight brings you to this other page, so you guys can check that all. Careers, frequently asked questions, whatnot. Mainly we are doing this through their website, so they what they do exactly, they are here to help you guys earn interest on crypto, and you guys already have they are talking about earning the industry highest rates on major cryptocurrencies. They got weekly payouts, and your interest is calculated daily, and you get paid by interest at the end of the week all your tokens. And one of the benefits is that you can withdraw at any given moment, so you really don't have to worry about whatever you like. Oh, I gotta sell this specific token right now, it's going to drop. You guys can withdraw at any given moment. You get your interest at the end of it, and you can sell your tokens. It's really a lot of freedom on your end. You got fixed term deposits. You guys can optimizing in for fixed deposits to earn higher interest rates, and optimizing out with zero penalties as well, so you don't get penalized on any of that stuff as soon as you want to take it out, and it's compounded. Interest earned compounded every week or at the end of the fixed deposit term, and you guys can see some their initial percentages yield right here. And we're getting started. You just hit start earnings, you just start earning button, and you can sign up right there as well. And what do you say right here? Obviously they are earning high interest rates, blah blah, or stuff we just saw. Trade while you earn and borrow token instantly. That's exactly what we are talking about right now. Touch borrowing. So borrow tokens instantly against your tokens. Take a low interest loan against your existing crypto assets. And let's check this home page again. So LTV of 66%, so you guys can borrow to LTV of 66.0 instead approval, so you get your loan approved right away and you receive your tokens pretty much instantly. You can borrow, it's like on this page, and no charge, no hidden fees, so you guys don't need to worry about any of this stuff, any surprises. You're not going to get any that with this, and pay back anytime, so you got a peace of mind that you don't have a set period or for when you gotta pay back to loan. Really freedom as we have always wanted to see. And you guys can see their APRs as well for that, the biggest tokens out there at the moment. Super easy to get started with it as well. They got a link right below, and it's a bar. You just press on that and you're going to have access to it right away. It's so easy to go this site, and you guys can trade crypto, trade and deep order book with all their supported tokens and liquidity of over $10 million, and you guys can access that liquidity through them competitive fees. They got 0 point maker fee and 0.5 taker fee, so really low. You guys can interest while you trade, so earn interest on your tokens while trading with them and swap on the go. So you guys have access to it, and the Android devices, the Apple devices as well. So you guys really manage your portfolio on that way. It gives you that a peace of mind that any given moment you have access at your portfolio, and you guys can make adjustment as needs. You don't necessarily need your desktop, but if you want to do your desktop, that they have available as well. So they got you guys convert in all of these different fronts. You guys aren't an advisor traded. You guys can still make easy interest traders with their instead crypto projects. You guys can do this just by hitting that link at start trading, this start trading button in right now. Their community is at the heart of what they are doing. Join there from to discuss, so they love getting back, so you guys chat with them. A lot of things in this site, their partners, why you should use Vauld, and in addition, the calculating more core crypto needs, owning, lending, borrowing, trading, and spending a lot of things. We stand by the strong wallets at Vauld, and every Vauld customer can be assured of being treated right by these values: customer first, extremely competitive rates, and seamless product experience, continuous upgrades, and versatile customer needs. There is everything about why you should use Vault, and also a lot of article about the Vault is published on CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and Business Today, Bitcoin.com, Financial Express, Business Insider. A lot of article. If you wanna read these articles on this website, you can just click this website. For example, if you wanna read this article about Vault on CoinDesk, you can just click this CoinDesk button in here, and you will go to this article to see and read these things. There is a lot of information on this site, guys. If you are wondering, if you still have any questions about Vault project, you can ask it in the comments, and you can also ask your questions by joining the Vault official Telegram group. Links about the Vault will be in the description of the video. If you like the video, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not a financial advice. Make sure to do your own research. See you in a new video.